Okay guys, I am going to show you how I get this little piece off when it gets jammed like this. So on my ego, so see how it's kind of jammed? So I'm going to show you how I get that off. The side that's undone, and this is the side that is kind of stuck. So I'm going to take this screwdriver and I'm going to push it in. So I just pushed it all the way back on there, and I'm gonna try to redo it in a little bit more balanced approach. There we go. So it's all the way out of string. So I'm gonna show you all how to fix that. Okay. So what you do is you actually put this cap back on. The only reason that I took it off was to make sure I was out of line, because sometimes it'll break and it's not out of line. You have to untangle it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. Okay. Now you take the string and you put it through the hole on one side. Then you kind of feel through, so it'll go all the way through the middle. Not gonna lie, this part's a bitch. There we go. Okay, got it all the way through. And then what I'm gonna do is pull it to where it's even. This is when, and I made another video on this as well. So I'll link that in here, but basically you just do this. You push and twist, push and twist.
Maybe I'm not very good at putting together this easel.
I'll put it together, honey.
I don't know how.
Well, I'm currently making a YouTube video on another pointer on stringing. So I'll make a YouTube video on how to put that together.